Today, we're talking about my operations manual, but don't click away just yet. Hopefully there's something for everyone in this video. Welcome, glad you're able to join me. Hope you're doing well. My name is Mike, and I'm a Transport Canada Certified Advanced RPAS pilot, or drone pilot if you prefer. I'm going to try and keep this video as short as possible, but if you're an advanced drone pilot or want to be an advanced drone pilot in Canada, you need an operations manual. Today, we're going to take a quick look at mine. If you have no interest in this information, here is some aerial footage of the Grand Canyon. I didn't shoot it, but it seemed fitting for a drone channel, and I'll leave a link in the description where I found it, just in case you want to use it for your own videos. Alright, so my manual is broken down into 12 sections, with several of those having subsections and some of those having subsections. So today I'm just going to go over the section headings and give a brief explanation of what's in each section. And if you want more information, let me know in the comments. So section 1 is the preface, just basic information on what's in the manual, just like you would expect. Section 2 is our mission statement, and that's exactly what it sounds like. It's our mission statement. Now section 3 is protection of rights and privacy. This covers best practices for angle of the camera while transiting a drone, and what we can and cannot fly. Section 4, definitions. Here we cover the basic definitions for acronyms and industry terms that the reader may not know or has forgotten. Section 5 is administration. This section covers the boring admin stuff, like frequency for updating the manual that we're talking about today, personal responsibilities, and personnel and drone scheduling. Of course, that part is mostly future-proofing, as we have no scheduling conflicts with one pilot. Section 6 covers safety. This is all the safety stuff, obviously. Like who has to contact Transport Canada or Air Traffic Control if needed, report unsafe conditions and near misses and whatnot. So, we're halfway through. Kind of. That was all the easy stuff. Those 6 sections take up only 8 pages of my 21-page manual. Moving on to section 7, training. This is an explanation of what training each role requires. A visual observer obviously needs completely different training than a pilot in command, and section 7 is where you would find that information. Section 8 is general operating procedures. This just covers call-out procedures, personnel requirements for a deployment, and responsibilities during said drone deployment. Section 9 covers pre- and post-flight inspections. Now, I've done a couple of videos on my pre-flight checklist, and I'll leave links in the description for those videos. Section 10. This is a very, very important section. I actually keep an extra copy in my clipboard readily available during a flight. Section 10 is my emergency contingency plan. It covers flyaways, crashes, hard landings, close encounters with aircraft, both manned and unmanned, what needs to be done, who needs to do it, and when it needs to be done, as well as emergency and non-emergency phone numbers. This section is 3 pages on its own. Section 11 covers drone maintenance, how often to do it, what to do, that type of thing. And of course, last but not least, section 12 covers grounding a drone. This is just the responsibilities of the PIC if a problem is discovered during a pre- or post-flight inspection, during regular maintenance, or in case of a manufacturer recall, and what you have to do before you can deploy the drone again. Hopefully you got some useful information from this video, or at least enjoyed the aerial footage. If you'd like more information, feel free to contact me in whichever manner you are the most comfortable. Also, if you don't mind, on your way out of the video, if you could hit one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed up, it does help out a lot. Leave a comment if you would like more information on anything mentioned in this video, and If I provided you with some value, please consider subscribing. You can also follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be in the description. So until next time, bye-bye.